Hi and welcome to this video about the basics of our learning platform Larweb. If you haven't watched the video how to create an account on Larweb, I recommend that you do that first. But let's imagine that you have created an account at Larweb and you want to access your first course. Then you go down and look to the right and write in your username and password and then click login. Let's imagine that you're going to study English 6. So you click on English and then you find the course that you're going to study, English 6. And now either if you go to lessons, you probably get your course key, the first lesson. If you are a distant learner, you have to mail your teacher to get it. And when you have got it, you write it in the box and then you just click here, Koppla mig. And then you're in at the course. First, you have some general information about the course and often contact details. And don't forget to read information about the course, which is very important. Often the courses are divided into 5 themes or units. First explaining, summarizing what you have to do and the activities, and then you have the different assignments, which are symbolized with a paper. So the first thing that you do when you're going to send in an assignment is that you click on it, you read the instructions, could be watching a video or reading something and then writing something. And remember to read all the instructions before you begin writing so you don't miss anything. I recommend that you write in a word processing unit like Google or a Word, so that you keep the copy on your own as well if something happens and it doesn't work when you send it in. When you are finished with the assignment, you click here, lägg till inskickat bidrag. And there are 2 ways of sending in an assignment. If you have written a Google document, you use the online text and then you just paste in the link. You can also choose this one, where you have something on your computer and then you send that in. It's up to the teacher to decide which one you should use, but if both are open, you can make the decision yourself. But if you use Google Documents, then you should use the online text. And then don't forget to click Spara ändringar. Don't forget to look at the feedback that you get from the teacher by going into the assignment and look there. If you want an overall view of what you have done, then you can go to where it says betyg, grades, and then you will see the assignments that you have done and if there are marked or not, and the feedback that you have got. And if there are things that you have done but you haven't got any feedback for a long time, then you should contact your teacher about that. So that was the most basic things about Larweb. Good luck and just ask if you have any questions.